Welcome to our breaker grease promotion that we're holding at the moment. So we're doing grease cartridges and a grease gun, or you just buy your grease cartridges, whatever. So we've got a breaker here on the floor. So got a cartridge, got our gun, unscrew this from the end. Now pull this one back. That one falls in there like that. Take the end cap off, dispose of that, put that inside here. You pull your ring, hey, that comes off like that. Typical, that one's stuck in there like that. This grease is horrible. If you get it on your fingers, it takes ages to come off, so don't get it on your fingers. It's one way to break this. But it stays in the breaker for longer. Keeps the heat down, keeps it lubed, makes your breaker last for a long time. Just put a bit there on this new grease gun. Screw that in there like that. Once you caught it on a couple of threads, flip that one like that, push that one in. So when you go too far and it all pops out the end. There we go, now we're pumping away. Oh, I've done that, sounds lovely. So let's put a bit of grease in there before we start. We're going to drop this in. We've got a slot there for a retaining pin to drop into. That one goes in there. I'm just going to pump a bit of grease in there before I start. Just like so. Drop that one in. Your rubber grommet goes with a flat side down. Put that in the hole like that, set in. So once you've got your tool in, now on your first time of doing a grease on your breaker, it'll take a lot of grease. And they don't come pre-greased, so don't go using it thinking, oh, it's new, it should all be greased up, because you're putting the tool in. It's quite hard going this grease. It's like a workout. We did do electric grease guns as well. Right, it's actually coming out of there now, so that's fine. So our promotional on these grease cartridges are the grease gun cartridges themselves. So you can get these for £7.50 plus VAT. Or we're doing half a dozen grease cartridges for £42 plus VAT. Or we do half a dozen grease cartridges and a grease gun for £54 plus VAT. You can have 12 grease cartridges for £78. Or you can add a grease gun to that for 12 cartridges and a grease gun for £90 plus VAT. You can purchase these on our website on www.machineserve.co.uk. Search for breaker grease. Thank you.